Despite the benefits humans derive from coral reefs, we are also putting coral reefs at risk. The primary threats to coral reefs are 1. Overfishing, 2. Direct human impact, 3. Sedimentation, 4. Climate change, and 5. Invasive species. Overfishing occurs when more fish are taken from an area than can be replaced by natural reproduction of that particular species. Grouper is one coral reef fish that has been overfished in many areas, primarily because it has been in high demand as a food fish. Direct human impact also puts coral reefs at risk. Examples of direct human impact on the reefs are dumping trash on reefs, snorkelers walking on shallow coral reefs, and scuba divers who hold onto or kick coral heads while they're diving. Each of these actions either physically damage the coral reef and/or upsets the balance of the coral reef ecosystem. Sedimentation is another big threat to coral reefs, and this can be caused by natural events, such as runoff from rivers and mountainous areas with coral reefs, or from human activities such as dredging or improperly managed shoreline development. Sedimentation occurs on all reefs, and corals can manage a little bit of sedimentation, but too much sediment in the water gradually smothers the coral. Many areas around the Caribbean face a high threat from sedimentation and pollution. Climate change results in the warming of water temperature and an increase in the acidity of the oceans. Sustained temperatures above 84 degrees Fahrenheit or 29 degrees Celsius causes coral bleaching, which is when photosynthetic microbes that live in coral polyp tissues leave, and if sustained, results in coral death. Although coral polyps use to dissolve carbon dioxide in seawater to build their exoskeletons, too much carbon dioxide in seawater increases the acidity of the water, and that acid can weaken the coral's exoskeleton. Finally, invasive species threaten coral reefs. One major invasive species problem facing the reefs in the Caribbean is the lionfish, an Indo-Pacific fish with no natural predators that is now widely found on reefs throughout the Caribbean. They threaten the health of the reef by decreasing the number of cleaner fish on the reef, which affects the health of other fish and corals, and by reducing the number of fish species on a reef. Lionfish could become the predominant fish species on coral reefs in the Caribbean, which would likely result in a decline in the health of those reefs.